Hey friend, this is Yuvan Dago, your friend. We wanna do a new activity. Let's see what we need. We need a white color pen, a paper, a bunny stand made of tissue roll. Let's start it. Let's take the stamp and dip it into the white color. Dip it hardly. Take it out and stamp it. Stamp it nicely. Orange the color we thought on in the paper. Wow, it's looking so nice. Let's dip it here. Wow. Oh my God, it's looking so nice. Wow, let's make the face. One eye here and another eye here. Just make little face. It's done! So cute, bunnies! Do try it! Hasta la vista! Hey friends! Please subscribe my channel. Let me tell you how to subscribe it. This is my video and you can see the subscribe button. Just press it. And you can see this bell. Just press it. And this is done. It is so simple and free. Just do it now. Bye.